Small Engine Repairs in Aurora, Colorado. Small Engine Repair, Aurora, has been in the business of lawn and garden repair, folks, since the spring of 1989. Since then, our experienced staff has been providing superior repair sales, OEM parts, service that complement our outdoor service repair skills. We service all makes and models brands, folks, from Toro to Tecumseh to Yard Machine to Craftsman, folks, you name it, we service it, folks. Visit us online today, folks, at Small Engine Repair, AuroraColorado.com, or simply give Ron a call today at 720-298-6397 to schedule your service or repair today, folks. Folks, I'm offering 10% off of any repairs, folks. Guaranteed lowest prices in the metro-wide area, folks. Folks, we can repair anything, folks, from lawnmowers to riding mowers, snowblowers, chainsaws, folks. You name it, folks, we service it. Folks, we offer mobile services for your convenience, folks, local 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., folks. Small Engine Repair, Aurora, folks, we'll get you back in